Look at Luke Ray, he's in his element. What you got down there, mate? What are you looking for? Looking for a dime?
You know, say what I want to say, Steve. Are you 14?
14 and above, it's not meant for kids. I think someone's breaking into my garage. Look.
Oh, give me me!
Here it is. What's going on, Luke Ray? What are we doing?
We just fixed all the little issues we had with it before.
That's the Primal RC Raminator, if you don't know what it is, guys. Now, there was issues with the servos.
Yeah.
And the issue we found is they were fighting against this lock nut, or the nut that holds the actual servo saver spring, and it was biting against this aluminium, always causing these guys to be fighting against that and with each other. So now that's changed out, and it's all good to go, because we actually do have, what do we have, Hi-Tex?
Yeah.
No, not Hi-Tex.
Electronics.
Now these are the bee's knees. We have some of these to go in the front, but just for the meantime, now quick specs, these can go to 6 volt to 8.4 volts at 70 kilos. And these are made in WA, I believe, Australia?
Queensland, mate.
Queensland, so here in Australia, Queensland. So they're going to go in. We're going to use these here for the moment. But you might be asking where we got these two servos from. Well, Luke Ray went and bought himself the 4-wheel steering kit for the Primal RC Raminator. So this whole bag is pretty much 4-wheel steering kit, but that's going to go on later. Not in this video. In this video, we wanted to get this sorted, but look what he has there. What's that, Luke Ray?
That's the TMR Performance bloody motor, mate. Look at that. And look at this that stack, velocity stack.
Velocity stack. So that basically...
And the carby. And look. Ooh! Reed,
yep. Reed valve. And it's also got a nice choke as well. Not the stupid one that comes with the stock motor. It always...
And just fuel in.
Fuel in. So this, how much horsepower, Luke Ray?
I don't know.
From the stock?
Just sort of shiny, I just brought it in.
Just saw wheel stands.
I think it was triple. Yeah,
so basically we're getting this little weed whacker of a motor out of here that everyone complains about. Apparently it's not fast enough, because apparently all those people that on their ones, you know, complain. On their Raminators. So basically, we're not going to do a... That's got a nice, actual nice NJK, I believe, is it? Yep. Ooh. Really nice tight fit. I know that's one of the things I was talking about as well. Look at that, the amount of Loctite. No, that's not coming out at all. I'm not going to show you us taking it out, because TMR and Primal RC have their own video with taking it out and installing the new one. But basically, you can see the old one there. You have to undo some of these. You have to undo these braces, so it kind of splits it apart. And then, you know, you've got to remove some of the covers down here, disconnect the fuel tank, obviously, and the carburetor. But we're going to get started on that, and we'll flick the camera on in a little bit. But what do you reckon, Luke Ray? So yeah, this video, we'll do another video maybe when we install the rear steer, because that'll be sick. We're going to use these ones, or eventually we'll get some more electronics for the front and rear. But how much are those each normally?
About 206 Australian.
So that's $1,000 just for servos for this car. So as you can see, stuff, you know, we're not complaining. It adds up. But for the meantime, we'll just use them at the back, and we'll use the electronics later on. But just to get this guy going, because we want to do a run video with the TMR in there, because that's what everyone wants to see. Wants to see wheel stands and
a backflip.
Backflips. All right, see you in a bit. We thought for shits and giggles, we'll just start it so you can hear the difference when it's just obviously idling. Not going to go, because it'll be late by the time we get this installed, but we can just do the before and after. All right. Boom!
Boom!
Look at Luke Ray, he's in his element. What you got down there, mate? What are you looking for? Looking for a dime?
You know, say what I want to say, Steve. Are you 14?
14 and above, it's not meant for kids. Alright guys, we we'd followed the instructions from TMR and Primal.
Oh!
And here we go.
Come on,
Didn't want to show because there was a lot of swearing involved.
Oh.
Look at that. What have we got there?
This is the TMR, isn't it?
I hope not.
Oh, no! Oh, look at the clutch setup.
There we go. Oh, here, grab. Yeah, give me this puppy. Oh, get the other one. A little bit of
What is that, like 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
So,
oh, look at that. It's a dual compared to a triple clutch.
Yeah.
Wow, there you go. Much you can tell. Look at the clutch springs on that bad boy. So that's a TMR, and look at them on this one. These are for your big pens. The push pens. Wow,
look at the
much thicker.
And look at the carburetor and the.
Okay, let me just get this so we can.
You're right. Do you want me to hold it?
Oh, here we go. You hold it. Oh, there you go. Check that out.
Oos.
So there we stock and TMR. So what are we looking at?
So
Just throttle body, the opening, or is it the same? Oh, but you can definitely tell the valve. Like, yeah, look at that. Look at the height difference.
Oh yeah.
There to there.
Oh yeah.
Check out that. Wow, that's heaps. That's another inch for you Americans. About.
Yeah, because it's got the reed.
It's got the reed valve here.
Yeah.
Very cool. So that's it.
I remember this thing here.
Also the boot, the spark plug boot.
This thing here, man.
That's, you can tell that's also a bit loose from loosey goosey.
Yeah.
Not as tight fit as this one here.
Yeah.
Definitely. See that?
Here's the little coil inside.
Yep.
Son of a bitch.
So that's it. So, well, that was. Look, it wasn't that hard. It was some of these screws, the Loctite on here.
Yeah.
And no fault for Primal. They had Loctite. It's better than none. Not Sherbert, man. But yeah, better than none. So that's it. Got to pretty much put it all back together. Yeah, we have to heat a couple of screws up to get it out. That's about it. The bin's out that way, mate.
Nah, man, put it in your car.
Oh, you know what? The fender.
Here we go.
Just done. Yeah, it looks good. Sorted.
Alright.
Next step,
Yeah,
put that guy in. What do you got there?
So, I don't know. It's an engine. But what we've actually got here, Steve, Shazam!
Oh, they're higher RPM.
That's 10,000.
10,000 RPM clutch springs.
Yeah.
What's on them now? This 8,000 or?
I'd say. Not
Guys,
too sure
Team Mark, if you're watching, let us know.
Yeah.
But yeah, wow.
But bam, how's that, eh? I don't think there is a 10,000
No,
case.
we'll put them on later.
Yeah.
Leave it stock. We're still got the stock pipe. We're waiting for the.
Is that a real goal?
They're more expensive. They probably would be.
How good is that clutch setup? I've never seen that before.
No.
You know, so stuck and lossy.
But pretty cool. So we have that, and then we're going to be running the stock pipe. And when we get the new pipe, we'll put the 10,000 springs on.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Done.
I'd say that is set up for the current system at the moment.
So now we have to put the header on, and that's about it, and put it back in.
Yeah.
I'm not going to show you that part. If you want to watch it, Primal, they've done it better than this. Oh,
yeah, man.
Nah. Quickly, we just put it in.
Yeah.
Now, you were saying you want to show something?
Yeah, I want to show you something. What? How frustrating it was on the stock one. Watch this.
Oh, yeah, to release the spark plug cover.
There's no bloody trickery.
Done.
That's on. Watch.
Awesome.
It's the little things.
You're a simple bloke.
That's simple.
Now, to be honest, that didn't take too long. It wasn't too hard.
No.
Just apart from excessive Loctite on some of the screws, and I don't think some of the screws are the best quality. Once you strip that head, she's gonski, but ready to go. So, we've managed to install it.
Yeah.
Fix the servos. We're going to do the 4-wheel steering kit later.
Yeah.
In this video, our main goal today, or tonight, because it's pretty dark outside now, to install it and get it ready, because we're going to run it this week. So what are our chances?
Nah.
Want to pull it?
Yeah. I'll pull
You
it.
want me to do it? You want me to do it?
No, you do it.
Ready?
Okay.
It's all on, it's all on.
It's all on. better.
First start. Oh man, that sounds so much better. Well, we started. If I'll get a clip from before. Put it in now. And then I'll do this one, and then you can be able to tell the difference just from idle. We'll start it back up again. Ready?
Go.
Ready, Romeo? Oh. That's heaps louder too. We haven't adjusted any settings with the carb or anything, or shouldn't need to. Just the idle speed and all that kind of stuff. But what do you think?
Yes.
One more time for the video?
One more.
Go. Kelly, give me this. Give me this.
Just.
I don't know how to use it.
Oh, feel the compression.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Awesome. What do you reckon, end the video?
Yeah, why not?
We're hungry. It's, what time is it here, Luke Ray?
I don't know.
I think it's 8 o'clock, but we've done that pretty well.
That was pretty easy.
If all goes to plan, we should have the running video this week.
Yeah.
With the TMR.
Yeah.
And eventually we'll put the four-wheel steering kit in there.
Yeah, we think it'd be a little bit too much for it, I reckon.
Well, we'd leave it for the other one. Well, we've got that spare motor there to put into something. No, brushes.
Yeah.
We'll buy another one just for brushless setup. So, alright guys, any questions, please leave them down below. Any hints or tips, please leave them down below. If you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up. Haven't? Please subscribe.
Yeah, man.
It's for free, Luke.
Oh.
It's for free.
It's for free.
It's and hit the notification bell so you get notified, because we get heaps of we've got heaps of cool stuff coming up as well.
Yep, heaps of Chinese stuff.
Oh yeah, apparently because this isn't expensive.
Yeah,
this is cheap. This stuff. You know, the thrashers are cheap as well. That boat, you know, they don't cost much at all. Nah. Oxidine marine boats. Full carbon Kevlar. No, they're nothing.
Hell no.
Alright guys, enough mucking around. Hope you enjoyed the video. Luke Ray as always. Everyone loves you, Luke Ray. But yeah, America! What's that? That show?
Fuck yeah!
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next one.